Did you know that you can create coloring book for adults? And in this video, I want to show you, for example, what I've done. Use an interesting AI platform to create coloring book. Now, this example that I'm currently showing you is a 5-page coloring book that I've created recently for my kids. So as you can see, with a and this was created by the inspired AI. This is not my script, but I'm gonna show you how I can do that with script and how you can come up with ideas and prompt to basically create AI pages and books. Now, before I do that, let me show you the website so that you have an idea. The website is coloringbook.ai, and what this basically does, it allows you to create coloring pages. You can even upload images and get coloring page from that. You can do text to coloring pages. You can do coloring books, so you can generate coloring books. And as you can see right here, this was a coloring book that I've generated, right? No, with that said, let me show you how you can come up with prompts. So if you don't know what you want to create, guys, you can click on the section where it says from description and click inspire me, and it's going to basically come up with some ideas, right? But in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you something else as well. Now, from here, you can always go ahead and enter the storyline. You can enter the description, the storyline. Then from here, you can choose if you want 5, 10, or 20 pages. You can change the dimension. You can remove watermark, and then you can generate. It will take actually 8 credits to generate this for you. And so to create coloring books, you will need to have an upgraded account. When you register, you get 4 credits for free, and so you can test it out by creating 2 amazing coloring pages. One page take 2 credits, so you want to ensure that you use them wisely to test out the amazing platform. Now, how do you come up with prompts, guys? You can easily use Power such as ChatGPT. Like I've done here, I've used ChatGPT. This is my prompt. I've asked it to give me 5 ideas or 5 prompts to create a coloring book for adults. And you also saw here that I asked it to basically change it and just give me coloring book ideas from coloring book. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to a little bit make this simplify. I'm going to say give me 5 coloring pages for adults prompts for coloring book AI, and as you can see, it's going to give me that basically, and I'm going to input that. Now, as I said, you can create books, but for the purpose of this tutorial, to make it really short and spicy, I'm going to go ahead and create just a page. So let's take this vintage old steampunk old here, right? So let's do something like that. So I'm going to copy, for example, this here, guys, and once we have that, we can head back over to our coloring book. So you can create coloring book by simply entering the description or upload photos. If you have photos, you can upload it, and you can even, if you don't know, you can use inspire me, and you can choose how many pages you want, the dimension, and then hit generate as well. But for time's sake, I'm going to show you how to do that with text, with the text that or the prompt that I've got to create a coloring page. So on this section here, just simply click on text to coloring page, and I'm going to quickly input that which I get from ChatGPT. And as I said, we're creating it for adults. Just go ahead and choose adult, and that's going to make the difficulty, as you can see. And then once you select that, you can choose a dimension. I'm going to leave it as is, everything as is, and simply click and generate. And let's just wait for the AI to generate this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. But you basically follow the same steps similar to create for to create the coloring book as well. So as you can see, within a couple of seconds, it generates an amazing coloring page for adults, and this is pretty complex, right? You can imagine that a child wouldn't do that. So you can click on it and you can see what it has generated. It is really cool. It makes sense. It is ideal to the prompt that I've given to it, right? As you can see, both of them look actually really cool. And once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and you can click download as PNG or download as a PDF, whichever one you choose. And you can see right that I downloaded. I'm going to open it so you can see what it looks like. Let's just make this size about, yeah, about 65 so that you can see it. Have a look at that. Amazing detail and super cool. And of course, this is for adult as well. So guys, I want to leave it right here. Keep the tutorial very short and spicy for you. How to create coloring book or coloring pages with the power of AI using coloring book that AI. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.